What up, y'all? So I just got a notification from Amazon that a package has arrived, so let's go see what it is. As a small rant, doesn't matter who it is, whether it's UPS, FedEx, United States Postal Service, they never knock on the door when they deliver. So, and
there she is.
alright, so this just came in. I know what it is. I've been anticipating this box, the arrival of the Zhiyun Crane 2. So this is gonna be what I'm gonna be using as my gimbal for my B-rolls, for you know, just taking videos here and there. It's gonna be my Steadicam. This is it, guys. This is the big deal. This is the top-notch creme de la creme of gimbals right now. You know, unless you're a Ronin type of person, but hey, you know, here, there, whatever. So let's go ahead and let's open this thing, huh? See. Dude, another box. Okay, let's get rid of this guy. Awesome. Let's take a look around the box. In the back, Zhiyun Crane 2, hopefully that's how you pronounce it. Real-time follow focus control. It's got an OLED intuitive display, quick control dial design. It weighs 3.2 kilograms. Accessories includes batteries, charger, I don't know what that is, little tripod, USB connection, got a connection for the Canon camera to the gimbal. It's actually got a couple connections for different types of cameras. Move with your focus. Alright, it's a nice little box. I like that design. Nothing on the side there, nothing on the side there. Just camera logo. All right, let's go ahead and cut this little bad boy. Guys, I like opening things carefully, just because you never know if you got to return something, if something's broken. You want to keep the box as intact as you can. Okay, anti-slip grip tape. What's that for? I guess we'll find out. Got a strap. And a case. See what else is in this box. styrofoam batteries. Nice. Set that aside. This is a nice case. Oh, here we go. What's in here? Manual. Usually got. Okay, well, I'm definitely gonna be needing this because I don't know what the hell I'm gonna be doing as far as putting this together. I'm gonna learn this together, guys, because I don't know. All right, this is a nice case. I like this. All right. Ooh. Oh, so they gave us some extra batteries. Nice. So here's the original batteries. I love the colors. Guys, if you notice my room, it's black, white, and red. Black, white, and red. I love it. It's just awesome. Charger. Okay. Got some silicone. All right. Here's a tripod. Right there. We're gonna need that. Man, this thing is nice. Oh, it comes all assembled. What? I don't have to do all. Man, I like that. Oh, this is nice. What is this? Let's put this down. Let's see what that is. We'll go ahead and move this down. Connect this tripod. Let's take this out. I like that it comes with a tripod. Oh yeah. Sweet. Awesome. So let's see what's on this little pouch. Ah, there's our cables. Sweet. Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna start reading this manual, and we'll just see if we can go ahead and mount. I have the only other camera I got is the Nikon D3200. Not really something I used to take videos with, but I'll go ahead and mount that onto this so we can go ahead and see how to balance this out and how it works. All right. So I'll see you in a few. All right, guys, so I got this pretty much balanced out, set up. It really didn't take me that long to do it. I would say probably 10 minutes to review the manual and probably 5 minutes to set it up. It wasn't that bad at all. One thing, guys, that you need to know is when you set this up, you need to put anything that you're going to finalize as far as equipment on your camera. Make sure it's on the flip screen. Make sure if you're going to use it, it's flipped out, because if you don't, then you'll have to rebalance the whole thing once you put it on. So just keep that in mind. We're going to go ahead and turn this bad boy on, and then we're going to take some shots and see how it does and performs. All right, let's do this. Power button. There she blows. She's on. Boom. What? I just like this. So on follow, I guess. Pan follow. Okay. Let's take this outside and see what we can get. All right, so I got this set up, selfie mode. We're gonna test this out. I got a buddy of mine here who's gonna help me test this gimbal out. So we all just say hello to my buddy here. There he is. Alright, so far I'm loving this gimbal. I'm holding it right now as we speak. You know, there's some techniques I'm obviously going to have to learn when using this thing. I'm going to have to familiarize myself with the button layout, with the different modes. I'm sure there's a whole bunch of things I can do with this that I just don't know right now. This is going to be very useful for me in my videos, so I'm pretty excited. Alright guys, well that'll conclude this unboxing and quick overview. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.